Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I am hosting a DIY Dollar Tree collab. I'm so excited about seeing all the other videos, so please make sure you check out the iCards or the link at the end of the video or in the description and check out all of their videos. Make sure that you like their videos, subscribe, and comment on them, as well as mine. And if you're new here, thanks so much. Please show me the love by giving me a sub. And today I'm going to teach you how to make this wreath using Dollar Tree products. So let's go to the table. You're going to need a grapevine wreath, some flowers. I use these purple berry looking flowers, and a welcome sign, and some ribbon. I did not get my ribbon from Dollar Tree because I had so much at home already. For the welcome sign, I'm taking all the pieces apart using some pliers and some wire cutters to take apart the pieces. To get the loop off the top of the welcome sign, it was easier to slide the wire cutters between the two. And then I'm just going to hot glue those onto my wreath, as you can see here. And I think pulling these pieces apart and adding them to the wreath makes it so much larger and so much cuter. Now I'm going to take my flowers and I'm going to cut apart each flower from the main stem. And I'm doing that with all of my flowers. I think I had 2 or 3 bunches. And sorry about the dogs barking in the background. And this is a trick that I learned years ago. Hot glue the flower part back onto the stem so that it won't fall off. Now you're going to place the flowers into the grapevine wreath, and you don't need any glue or anything. Just start sticking them through the cracks in the wreath, and that works really well. And once you are happy with the placement, go ahead, do the other side, and once they're all done, you can then turn it over and trim off all the parts that are sticking outside the back side of the wreath. Then I'm going to hot glue my flower from my welcome sign onto the middle there in between those flowers. And now I need something to hang it up. So I'm tying a ribbon to the top and I'm making a bow. And I'm going to hot glue that bow right on top after I cut the edges of it all nice and cute. And I thought it needed just a little bit extra, so I'm using a couple of the extra little purple berry flowers and sticking them behind the wreath. And I needed to hot glue them in because I didn't leave a stem for them. And I'm done. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to make this Dollar Tree wreath. And I hope that you will subscribe to my channel if you are new here. That looks silly. Okay. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this Dollar Tree wreath with me and that you will give it a try yourself. Please make sure you check out all of the other videos in the collab and see all the creative goodies that you can make. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day crafting away.